welcome to today's video. You have requested this so many times, so I'm filming this for you. We are doing the Valentine's Day candy boxes today, and I'm really excited because Valentine's Day is literally around the corner. Now, if you're new to my channel, you have no idea what I'm talking about. I did a vlog showing you guys a candy haul, which I have the basket right here. Everything is still in this basket, and it's just a bunch of Valentine's Day candy, and we are going to be putting together some candy boxes that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. These are plastic organizers, and I already washed and cleaned the ones with no sticker. This still has a sticker so I could show you guys, but I'm excited to put these together with you. We're going to decorate them and we're going to fill them up with candy. Now, of course, before we get into it, if you guys enjoy my videos, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up if you want more like this, and hit the notification bell so you know exactly when I post. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I do completely different content over on those platforms, so go check me out there. But other than that, let's just jump right into it. I'm down at the dining room table and I have everything pretty much set up. The candy is all here, as you guys can see, and then I have the containers here with the felt heart stickers that I'm just going to stick on here and decorate. I'm so excited about this, and honestly, this isn't just for Valentine's Day. You guys can make these for any other holiday, birthday. I think these little candy boxes, or even they could be snack boxes, could be great for movie nights. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's just get started. These containers are from the Dollar Tree. These two in particular are washed, cleaned, all of that. And if you guys are curious, this is what it looks like. I kept one on with the sticker so you guys could know what to look out for. It's the organizer case by Jot from the Dollar Tree. Now, I'm going to do, I think, one on camera with you guys and maybe the rest off camera. I'm not quite sure. So these felt stickers are also from the Dollar Tree here, and they are just little hearts in different colors. So I thought they would be perfect for this activity. And there are several sizes here. So we have some bigger hearts, we have some tiny ones, and then medium-sized ones. So I'm just going to take a couple here. Alright, so I just decorated this. You guys can see I have a bunch of hearts up here, and they're felt, so they're kind of like fuzzy. And then I did a little bit down here. I didn't put any in the middle because these are curved. They're not flat. I don't know if you can even tell. There we go. Yeah, this is curved. So I probably could, actually, maybe. I probably could. Yeah, they would lay fine on there. But should I put a few more? Let me just put a few more. Let's just do it. Why not? All right, so there we go. I did put two on the little curved hump here, and I think this is so adorable. You can fill the entire container, like the entire cover if you want to, but I kind of like how it's like a little, kind of just scattered. So now, I don't know if, can you guys see that okay? I don't know if that's a good angle, but now let's fill up some of the candy. So I'm actually going to make this first box for my friend Natalie. I was gonna do my niece first, but I'm not gonna see her for a couple more days, probably till next week. So I don't want the candy to go like stale, just because I don't know how sealed this container is. So I'm gonna see my friend Natalie in a couple days, probably tomorrow actually, so I can give this to her. So I know her favorite is Sour Patch Kids. So we're just gonna dive into this. And I have some little cups here just so I don't have to touch the candy. I can just use these little scoops. And since it's her favorite, I'm gonna use one of the bigger slots. I don't know if you guys can tell here, but there's big slots and then small slots. So they kind of alternate. So I'm going to give her a big slot of the Sour Patch because they're her favorite. So I'm just going to take the scoop Whoop. These are so cute. They are hearts, so I think that should be good. And this particular section is in the raised area, so I can fit a little bit more, I think, than the flat area. So let me try to fit a couple more. Ooh, okay. There's the first slots. Perfect, it fits. And then let's go in with some Swedish fish because that's my favorite. And I know she loves Swedish fish too. So we're gonna give her a big slot of the Swedish fish as well. All right, I'm also going to do some of these Smarties, only because they have the little conversations on them. I think they're so fun and so cute, and they just look like that. You can get the regular conversation hearts if you want to, but these, oh my gosh, they're so cute. Let me take one out. And it's a Smartie, but they have little sayings on them. Put this in a small container. And then I also know she loves these, oops, the Hershey's cookies and creams. These are pink cookies and cream, and they're in little heart shapes. So I'm gonna take a few of these, and these are great because they are individually wrapped. So yeah, I'm going to put them maybe in here, just because I can probably fit a few more. I wonder if that will close. Oh yeah, that will close. Actually, I'm gonna put a bunch because I know she loves these in particular. Oh, I know she loves these. These are the M&M peanut butter. Oh, I know she will absolutely adore these. So we're gonna do a section of M&Ms. Perfect. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more slots. So let's maybe do some Tootsie Rolls. I don't know if she likes Tootsie Rolls, but I think they'll be cute. Let's just see what these look like. I have no idea. And cute, they are just Tootsie Rolls in like a Valentine's Day colorway. So we will put those in here. Because I don't know if she likes them or not, but... So let's do some gummies because we do have, oh, here we go. These are the Jelly Belly Sour Lips. I think these are so cute. Okay, how do I open this? So we're gonna take a few. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Can you guys see that? I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up how pretty these are, but we'll put them over, we'll put them over here. Because they look similar to the Sour Patch Hearts, but they're lips. Okay, cute. 2 more. Let's do some jelly beans because they are cute and they are all different shades of pink. And then let's do some Haribo gummy bears because you can't have enough. Actually, wait, I have these. I thought I had another one. Wait, I do. I have the Haribo Hearts, sweet and sour hearts, because I think they're a little bit more festive. So we'll put a few. These are a little harder to get out. So cute. Let me remove the placemat so you can see it a little bit better. Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm sorry. I should have done the video without the placemat because you can see the candy so much better. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up and then, oh my gosh, how freaking adorable is this? I'm obsessed. I wanted to give you guys a close-up of how adorable this came out. I really love these felt hearts. I think they just make it look even more cute. And then let's open it up. I'll just show you from different angles here. Okay, just so you guys have an idea. This is such a great idea, again, for other holidays. But let's open it up. Oh, I mean, who doesn't want that? Who wouldn't want this amazing Valentine's Day candy box with all different types of Valentine's Day treats? I think it's so cute. I think it's a great idea. Let me know down below if you try it. All right, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's a little bit different from my usual content, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. I love doing arts and crafts and things like this, so it was so much fun for me, and I hope you guys try it out. You can do candy boxes for any holiday, birthday, anything like that. If a loved one has like favorite candies, put them all together. These boxes are also really great for like movie night boxes. You can customize them and decorate them, so I think it's a really fun crafting idea. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.